G'day, it's Wombat here, and I got an unboxing. My first unboxing. Is it? Yes, first unboxing. In the bag, got on laybuy from Target, or Target. A camera, a Sony camera. This is just my second camera. My first camera is what you're recording on now, which is a Samsung with 10 megapixels. High definition. This is something. It's a DCR-PJ5. You can use a memory stick, you can use an SD. I bought this on sale. It's not a new camera. Well, it's brand new. I bought it brand new, but it's not a brand new model. And I'm getting rid of it. I think the book was printed in 2011. So, hey, I don't mind as long as it works. Doesn't have to be the most latest fangled thing. But the book. I already took this out at the shopping centre because I had to make sure I had the right card, memory card. I got a 16 gig. If you're needing a new camera, got to get a bag for it, I guess, a carry bag, cover bag to carry it in, and a new tripod. I need something to carry it in for safety, protect it, and a new tripod. Here's your cords, your USB, connect to the TV, and that's probably the cord I connect to actually burn directly onto a CD. The battery, charger, all the paraphernalia, the disc information. That I bought extra, it cost $30. This was how much? $269.88. Because I lay-buyed it, it's actually tell us $50, so it's $270.38. Paid it off today. So that's your camera. Built-in projector. Here we go. There's your projector. Look at that. Extendable. So I retouch that. Lengthen that out with my fat hand. That's pretty good, I reckon. It's a good size. Look at that. It's a nice size. Perfect for my hand. Touch it here because I drop things. That's looking good, I think. Here we go, it opens. It also turns. It turns right around, so when I get a tripod, I will know exactly what I'm looking at. Here's the open and close. This has a hard disk in it of about 80 gigabytes. So you got 80 gigabyte disk in there, plus whatever memory you add attached to it. It's a lot different because the camera I'm using now has absolutely no memory except the card you put in. Okay, so going by the pamphlet of this camera, there, it has video is MPEG 2 PS. The audio recording is Dolby Digital 2 channel or Dolby Digital Stereo Creator. It's an internal hard disk. DCR SR21E is 80 gigabytes. Takes room for memory stick, Pro Duo Media or SD memory card. It's of interest. Okay, so the dimensions of the camera is 85.5 millimeters by 55.5 millimeters by 113.5 millimeters, including the projecting parts. There's a supply rechargeable battery pack attached. It's the adapter. And of course, it has the projector there. I'm going to be like a boy with new toy. Have to spend time putting this together and charging it up, I guess. Okay? Oh well. Well, that's it. It's my new camera. I got one or two recordings to do with this camera here. Oh, that's where the battery goes. And after that, this camera, it's moving up and down. This camera, I will still own it, but the children can use it to experiment with recording and with the software editor on the computer, if they so wish to. I know my son will. Whether the girls will want to, we'll see. I have a feeling one or two of them will. Yeah, so that's my video, the unboxing for Sony. And I am looking forward to playing. Oh, you apparently, did I tell you, you can edit your own videos. I don't know. That'll be fun to play with. So I'm going to have lots of fun with this. I'll check you later.